Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Rayong, Thailand. It is beautiful here today. What we're going to look at here is amazing fresh seafood all down this street. This is the main drag along the beach here. The fishing boats are right on the other side of where they're selling the seafood. It's that fresh. Horseshoe crab, barramundi, cuttlefish. Well, these are squid. There's cuttlefish as well. That's really big squid. These here are cuttlefish. Shrimp. Price is reasonable. These are delicious. Hello. Octopus. Cockles. Probably blood cockles, but none are open, I can't tell. Mussels. Oysters and dipping sauce. Pretty nice, yeah? Squid eggs. Squid on a stick. Dried squid. All kinds of dried squid. Empty tanks. Oh, there's squid in that one. One lonely squid. Live crab. Big shrimp, really dead. I'm sure most of these places sell the exact same thing. These squid are beautiful. Shrimp cooked, 150 baht. That's a good deal. Cooked mussels. Scallops. That's a good deal. 50 baht. $1.50 for that many. Look at the size of these. Yeah, you know? Good size. Horseshoe crabs. A lot of oysters here. Cuttlefish. Look at those beauties. Boy, they're big. These boats right here are loaded down with cuttlefish traps. Snails and shrimp again. And barramundi. Empty stall. Probably the same again. Those snails are huge. They got really big eyes. I think she's done this before. Beauty. Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
คอยละลึงแตงหนาค่ะปลาคือปลาติดกัน
This one's a restaurant. Oh, that squid smells delicious. Dried squid and squid eggs. Oh, over there. Squid over charcoal. I know I could smell it. It smells delicious.
ปลากระพงมีทอดราดน้ำปลา มีนึ่งมะนาวครับลูกค้า
It smells much smaller. Same price.
เอาทอดตัวหนึ่ง
Nice squid.
เป็น120 บาทจ้ะ
The cuttlefish are huge right now.
เองคนละครึ่ง120เอง
That's a normal size for scallops here, which are pretty small. The meat inside is really small.
ลองถามราคา
อะไรนะครับ
14คน
We'll go see what this guy's cooking over here. I think that's it. One squid in each tank for some reason. And some crab in the dirty tank. Cooked crab, 200 baht for 3. Not so bad. And that's a restaurant over there, so that's the end of it.
Hello
Hello, sir.
สวัสดีครับ
Sawadika.
What do you want
Oh, that smells good.
อ่า
Home, 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 home.
เอกเป็ดเอก
Well, there it is, guys. Amazing fresh seafood, so much of it. And these are the boats that are catching, at least part of it. These big traps, these wooden traps on here, that's cuttlefish traps. And there's a lot of them, a lot of boats with them. Boy, it's beautiful. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Not a bad evening, huh?